Hi mga ka-vibes!
Yes, good day mga ka-vibes, and currently ari kami sa Escalante and we are going to show you our mini farm. It's a free-range chicken farm, and yeah, I hope that you'll be able to learn, and we're gonna show you and provide you some tips later on on how to start a small free-range chicken farm. And let's go!
Let's go! This is our native chickens here. Wala sa usually ginapagwa if it's raining kay para maka-avoid ta sa sakit. We have here. So this is their laying area. Actually, we have a lot of eggs na. Yes, we have a lot of more eggs here. Yeah. Yay. More eggs pa.
Is for our
That's
native chicken.
Part for native chicken.
Yes,
so
just native chicken.
Like we choose to raise native chicken because sila distinct taste.
And after all, restaurants and at least we would love to eat this kind of chicken because it's so tasty. Yes, it's healthier because it's free range without antibiotics and stuff. But in a bit, we're gonna show you as well our dominant chickens.
Let's go.
So let's go.
Yeah.
So let's discover our dominant chicken, and yes.
Here, so actually for now, we are like 2 months.
Yes, 2 months old
2 months pa
chicken.
lang sila.
Very excited.
Wala pa sila naman ginapa free range since pa siya, rainy season sila.
Yes.
So, to avoid na lang sa mga masakit.
Yes, and mortality rate because sa ulan they might have like sipon and other disease.
So actually,
All right.
dapat more on pa di siya. More on rice hull pa siya. Pero since it's more than 2 months na siya, no? Mga na siyang iban. So maybe next week need na naman
we're gonna add more
rice hull.
these newer ones.
This one is dominant CZ F1. So they're just 2 months pa lang ni sila.
Nasa 1 kilos and above na usually yung mga black chicken namon.
Black chickens.
Because they're like the older chicks nga gindala din namon. And presently, like the last one we weigh, nasa 1.3. So like 1 kilo and 300 grams.
For 2 months.
That's for 2 months chicken. Imagine, same weight or even like mas bugat pa sa mga native chicken stock.
And they have the same taste as well sa
Yes,
native chicken.
this is the same thing. And if you've noticed, yung mga black chicken, this is the same chicken usually, or dominant chicken na ginagamit sa mga inasal.
Yes, this is inasal type chicken.
Inasal
So,
type.
kung actually our selling period will be on December 15th because we choose to magpadamo pa siya, more chicks. But in siguro in a long run, kung gusto naman siya magbaligya inasal type, within 60 days we can harvest our chickens na like mga 1 kilo na sila, ang amo ni sila kadagko, pwede na natin sila ma-harvest.
Yes.
But tapos ang kanami isang dominant CZF1, they lay brown egg, which is less cholesterol.
Less cholesterol, less calories, and pretty much brown eggs is really
And they
awesome.
lays like 250 to 300 eggs per
Yes,
year.
and a year. Imagine 250 to 300 eggs in a year. So hopefully we can start our own egg farm, brown egg farm. And the future in Negros, there's only like few raising Rhode Island Red. So like this is the one.
Rhode Island chicks or chicken.
But yeah, the breed itself is Rhode Island Red.
So this weighs for 2 months nila nga age, they are
Like
usually
900 grams to 1
sila.
kilo.
To 1 kilo. So we're so happy nga kadafig lang sa ila bigla magdako. And they lay brown eggs as well.
Yes.
Like medium to extra large eggs.
Yeah, they have large to, I think they even have extra large eggs. And
Depends.
these chickens are really good in terms of resistance. So immunity wise, this chicken is recommended. And yes guys, ma-share kami sa mga tips on how to at least grow your own business in terms of free range chicken farming. And yes, yeah, we have their chicken right there. It's still like native gold chicken.
Ilihawan na siya namin.
Yeah, soon to be tinola. First tip sa pag-start sa
Free-range
chicken.
Of course, we need to provide
Yes,
shelter for them. That's the number one
Shaded,
thing that
right?
we should consider before starting a free-range chicken. We need to gid sila provide ng poultry house for if ever mag-inulan or too much ang heat, may shelter sila nga
That's right. And it has to be spacious dapat, kan tinlo. Amo gyud siya pinaka-importante, spacious, dry, and clean.
Yeah.
Yes, for them to at least avoid sickness. And tips
Second.
number 2. Tips number 2, you also have to choose a healthy chicks. Better if you can start with chicks. Because after all, kabalo ka. Ang imo nga mga manok is healthy,
Because
antibiotic free, and naka-vaccine siya because you will follow each and every vaccines, which is very important to avoid sickness sa imong mga chicken.
nang siya, it's okay to have an expense siguro sa vaccines
Yes.
kaysa sa mapatay ang inyo manok nga,
Mortality wise, much better.
So then in choosing a healthy chicks dapat siya tagsik, tapos have black eyes and bilog siya, hindi siya gray.
Exactly.
The third step is the vaccine that you
Yes.
have to follow ang mga vaccine nila schedules.
Yes.
Because it is very important gidya. We might not know kung saan may outbreak. So, much better nga ready or protected nga daan ang inyong mga chickens.
Exactly. Like you can have lasota, you can have fowl pox, you can have everything NCD killed. At least with a long run, mortality rate is okay. That's number 4.
Yes, we use organic
Yes,
prebiotics
natural.
for our chickens. So, we don't need to buy na vitamins. So, ang
Exactly.
ginaobra naman is we make our own probiotics.
So yeah, it's free from chemicals, from other artificial growth enhancers. So this is really natural because our probiotics are made of natural, like molasses and stuff like that. And we also use our
Fish
fish amino acid.
So, sabong ang namon, gina-maintain sa mga chicks. Starts nang nagkasakit sila, di ba?
Oo.
So, actually, we are kind of disappointed the first time nga nag-raise kami chickens because naka-experience kami napatsyan kami, everyday may mapatay, subong lagsik sila, buwas naman sila.
Exactly.
We use our own fish amino acids since the time nga nakatry kami nga napatsyan kami pila kabilog because pag masakit sila.
Exactly.
So, Yes, proven and tested yun siya ang fish amino acids.
Or 3 times a week siya namon ginagamit. And yes, since then, wala na kami napatsan, wala na masakit ang among mga manok. Healthy chicken gid sila. So far, enjoy gid ang mga owners, di ba?
And thank you sa ilan ni Mama because
Yes.
especially kung wala kami days, especially si Papa, si Mama ang gamix sa intulaan na naman paano maghimos ng fish amino acid, tapos si Papa ang gapakaon everyday, gatinlo sa ila kalanan, sa
Yes.
ila tubigan.
Yeah.
So, it's a big help din nga si Mama kasi si Papa since ara kami sa Bacolod and wala kami sa dire. And hopefully, for good, we can stay here na away from the city if maka-plaster na din ang tanan. Because we would like to wake up in the morning, amo ni siya ang imong makita. Tip number 5.
5 and last tip. Yes.
So as they say, an educated farmer is a successful farmer. So before you decide to have a business like this, you need to be knowledgeable. So what we did is we watched some seminars, videos seminars sa Department of Agriculture, and we asked help naman niya. We are very thankful sa Layaw Farm because they provided us like a feeding schedules,
Yeah, tips, a lot of tips.
vaccines, a lot of tips. So if ever we have some questions, aragid sila like the answers sa
Yes,
among
our
question.
mentor.
Yes. Wala nag-stop ang ilang responsibility sa
Bakal lang,
pagbakal namon sang chicks from their farm because every time nga ay may amo kami na nga problem or para sa amon ni siya nga vaccine ara sila dayon ga itutok Paulino ara siya dayon ga sabat sa amon
And
mga
yes, as
kabang.
well as Dr.
Beltran.
Beltran. Yes. He's a
It's just
agriculturist.
1 message away.
Yeah. 1 message away, text, call, para dayon sabat dayon sa mga
Wala ta siya gani ginamit personally, but
Yes.
then when we asked some questions about farming,
Yes.
about native chickens, as in damo gid sila na bulit
Yes,
sa
and we're just watching her video usually sa YouTube, like the tips on how to grow a chicken farm. So yeah, she's really great. So thank you, Dr. Beltran and Sir Paulino.
And then hopefully by December or November siguro, end of November, middle of November mag-lay
Yeah,
eggs
mag-start na sila lay eggs.
amon
Dominant chicken.
dominant chickens,
Yeah.
kaya ang amon Rhode Island Red. So, selling period siguro sa mga chicks will be on December, hopefully.
Yes. Very much excited.
We are very much excited. We need to buy like incubators since
Next
this is
project.
another tips naman niya for Rhode Island Red and dominant CZF1. Wala sila galumlum ng mga chickens.
Kinanglan tagid incubator. So
Kung gusto mo magpadamo chicks or mag-sell sang mga piso, need mo gid sila baklan sang incubator. Hopefully by November ma-savings kami anay kay ever since pagpaubra namon sang poultry house or pag-start sang native chickens, wala pa kami like nabaligya or so wala pa siya return of investment, but we are so happy every time makita naman namin mga chickens.
happy peel.
Nagko na sila, so stress reliever gid sila namon, and which makes us excited gid every time nga magpuli kami sa Escalante. So for now, among poultry house palibutan siya namon vegetables. So thank you kay Mama man sa pagtanom. So para someday kung gusto magid namon gusto ko siya nga like may gamay siya nga kalanan someday.
So resto in the future.
Or
And
kung gusto niyo magkadto di magbakal ka mo chickens or native chickens mapaluto ka mo. So fresh ang mga vegetables nga sa palibot like sa mga
we have
kapayas,
peppers there, like siling
Kung
mahaba,
gusto niyo
siling
magtinola,
labuyo.
so mapuksi na lang kamo kapayas
Yes,
sa dere. So
kapayas.
hopefully that's our next project. Hopefully next year we can do that siguro.
Yes, whenever money is available.
Yeah.
So investment, Tanay. And
Maybe for
hopefully,
now,
Yeah.
that's it. And we will going to update you from time to time.
Yes.
Sa amon nga mga chickens.
And thank you so much as well for liking our videos. As always, sa tanan nga nagasuporta sa amon nga channel, sa YouTube, sa amon nga Facebook page. And thank you so much, Marie's Life Vibes and Maricel Gonzalez on our YouTube channel.
Yes. So,
And
thank you so much. We'll
yeah.
see you on our next video.